Assalamu alaikum, my all friends, fans and viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my all friends? Good evening. How are you, my all friends, fans and viewers? I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope editing my latest video. So girls, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice beautiful ideas and top trendy, most demanding stylish ideas. Good looking, some are beautiful simple and some are good looking fancy ideas. Crochet handbag for ladies and girls. Teenage girls also like this beautiful handbag crochet pattern. College girl, uni girls, office girls also like this pattern. Very nice. Good looking pattern, good looking ideas, top trendy and different ideas. Crochet pattern, crochet handbags. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Ideas. Crochet steppy style, leather steppy style, wooden handle, chain steppy style, zipper style. Outstanding and beautiful ideas, and you can see most demanding ideas. So viewers, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon, and when you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. So beautiful and good looking ideas, different colors and different style, beautiful stylish ideas, beautiful range and beautiful capacity. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag, and please like and share my video. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Very nice. You can carry this handbag with matching dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function and casual at your office. Different colors, different styles. Some are beautiful long strappy style. Very nice, outstanding style, beautiful, good looking ideas. Mostly girls like beautiful crochet pattern, crochet ideas, different pattern. And please like and share my video with your family, friends. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. So beautiful, so outstanding, most demanding ideas. Very nice. So cutest ideas. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. See you again with next video.